section. In this series of videos, we will be talking about data cleansing. So data cleansing is a very important part of the analysis workflow. Data cleansing is the stage that takes place before we want to move on to analysis, whether that be data-driven or analyst-driven. And in this section, our focus is going to be on text data, but we will cover some structured data as well. And the concepts are very similar. The idea that our data, our text data or our unstructured data, it's not always going to be in the best of shapes. And what this means is that we have to do this process where we reformat, we restructure, we change somehow the data. And this is called cleansing or cleaning. And we do this so that the data is more suited for our analysis. What do I mean by more suited for analysis, and what are some examples? With textual data, for example, we have a series of short sentences here. There could be errors in the form of misspellings or abbreviations. And as a human, I can read through this data, and I can see packering lot. I can know, based on context and my own knowledge, that packering should have been parking. They're talking about a parking lot here. And I know that, and I can read this, and I can understand the text. I can understand what is being conveyed here. And it's not really an issue for me. But for a machine, the stage of identifying context and trying to figure out what is actually trying to be said here if it's not immediately recognized, that's kind of going to be time consuming if we have to do this every time we're analyzing our data and every time we're looking to use some natural language processing techniques. This is a very expensive operation for a machine. So if you want to address all of these errors ahead of time, we want to make sure everything's spelled and formatted correctly so that when we want to go on to these more advanced techniques, they don't have to waste processing power on these contextual clues and these high-level reasoning. They can just use all of their resources to do the important analysis that we care about. That's one example of why we want to clean the data, to make sure our algorithms later, whether it's NLP or some statistical algorithms if we're working on structured data, to make sure those algorithms are running correctly and effectively. Another reason just could be for our own sake. It's kind of annoying as an analyst and as a human to read through and have to constantly try to figure out what's being talked about at every single instance. Maybe the data is not easy to look at. Maybe it's a very large piece of text with very little formatting. Maybe we'd like to add some spaces. So there's reasons to do text cleansing for the machine as well as for the human. In this series, we're going to be using several different polyanalysis nodes. And we'll have many different videos talking about each of these nodes specifically and how to use them and how to effectively clean our data. So I'll see you in these next series of videos, and I look forward to talking about this video.